Hey there, I'm Scott. I'm the Teen Library Assistant here over at the Carter County Library in Beaufort. And today I'd like to teach you all how to make one of these neat little origami jumping frogs. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so to start off, you're going to want a sheet of origami paper. And you're just going to want to cut it into two halves. And for this, you only need one of the halves. Alright, so we're going to start off by taking this and folding it in half. And unfolding it to make a crease right down the middle. And we're going to fold it diagonally. Unfold it. Fold it diagonally to the other end. Unfold it. And fold that to the crease in the middle. Then we'll unfold it and tuck in these two edges right here as we fold it back in. Be a little bit of a tricky fold. There's one side. The other. And you just want to repeat this process on both sides. Alright, so after you have both sides folded, you'll end up with this little square or diamond shape. And from here, you'll take one of these corner flaps and fold it from one side to the other, like so. Just like that. And then you'll fold it again. You got a shape like that. And you'll want to repeat that for each of the four corners. Alright, so after you have that done, it should look like this. You want to flip it over and take this piece right here, this corner, and fold it in to the center. Right there. So it'll look like that. And then you'll take these two side flaps right here and fold them in kind of at an angle, like so. And you'll take this flap right here, and I don't know how well you can see that, but there will be like a little pocket right there. You tuck that in right there. Now hold that in place. Now just do that on both sides. Next, once you're done with that, it should look like this. And from here, you'll just fold it in half so that the feet touch. And then you'll fold this layer back out. So that way you have like a little crease right there. And there you go. And that is how you make your own little origami jumping frog. So, I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you have any more interest in doing anything origami related, we have plenty of books in both of our young adult and adult nonfiction sections. So feel free to stop by and check this out. And thanks for watching. Take care.